Hello everyone, first we are going to start by making an ice cream and a popsicle. Starting by making the ice cream cone, we are going to move ahead towards the watermelon popsicle, which is in a triangle design. Then we are going to make the seeds of the watermelon. After that we are going to give it a color which is of red and green. After it is done, we are going to color the softie we have made with different color combinations, and then it's ready. Next, we are going to make it, starting by making the face of it and highlighting the features like eyes, nose, mouth, and then making its body. After that, we are going to give it an ice cream in his hands and then coloring it. Next, we are going to make a cute dragon holding a stick with rainbow on it. First, we're going to start off by making the body structure of the dragon and then giving it a cute expression and making the stick in his hand. Then we are going to make the rainbow as shown in the video with different combinations of color. Here we've used sketch pens, but you can use any color here. Then we're going to color the rest of the drawing and then it is completed. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a tiger which is sitting, starting by making its face and then the eyes. We are going to move ahead towards its features like eyes, nose and the mouth. After that, making these cute mustache, and then we are going to make the body of it including the long tail, and it completed.